Hello everybody, this is Steve with Federal Military Parts doing a little educational spot here on headlights for military Humvees. We sell a lot of headlights and you can find them all at federalmilitaryparts.com. We will talk about three different headlights here today. First and foremost is the classic incandescent headlight that are pretty darn dim actually, and that's this one right here. They're pretty dim, they do burn out, not really very high impact, and just aren't a very nice looking light. If you want the original OEM look, you can get it, and you'll be replacing them, who knows, every 6 months, every year, every other year, depending on how much you drive your vehicle. When you replace them, you can replace them with something like this guy right here, which is commonly sold online. These are really just a motorcycle headlight that people use an adapter for. And obviously here's your problem right here is the adapter, and you'll get something like this and you got to plug it in here, and this is where you're going to have your problems with this kind of light. So what you should be looking at is something like, you know, an LED style headlight like this one right here. They always have, it's wired. You can see this is a factory wired job. These are numbered. You can find these on our website, all with the proper numbers to plug right into your military Humvee. And here's what they look like on the front. You can see this is a highly reflectorized backside to this light, and it'll give you literally twice the brightness of the old incandescents. So thank you for taking a look at what we've got in headlights. You can find all of these headlights at federalmilitaryparts.com and check out some of our 600 other items while you're there. Thanks for viewing. Bye-bye.